Hey beauties, I'm Dana. I am the founder of Booty Parlor, as well as a wife and a mother of 2. And today I'm talking about how I beat mom jealousy and never look back. So raise your hand if you can relate to this kind of experience. There you are, doing your mom thing at the playground or the school event, and you're in your zone. You are feeling super confident and pulled together and like you're really nailing the mom thing. And then you spot her. That mom who grew the green vegetables that she hand pureed into the homemade snack bar her perfectly behaved child is nibbling on neatly. Her hair, her outfit, her nails are perfect. She looks so good. She looks so thin. She's surrounded by friends, and her kid seems so perfect. And suddenly, all those self-assured, positive feelings you were having about yourself just a few moments ago have vaporized. And you found yourself in a fit of feeling jealous. You're off to the races comparing yourself to her. Maybe you even say something nasty about her under your breath, and you're left feeling like crap, swept up in the ugly, unproductive, self-defeating experience of being jealous of another mom. We've all been there, right? But in my 11 years as a mother, I have worked to liberate myself from this feeling of mom jealousy. And I'm gonna share 2 of the ways in which I did that, so hopefully you can too. So first, I stopped comparing myself to other moms. And I did that by recognizing that we all do the same damn thing, where while I'm comparing myself to another mom I assume is perfect, she is also comparing herself to another mom, and so on and so forth. So to stop that ridiculous cycle, I started recognizing what was happening, and then I would strike up conversations with these women I felt jealous of. Yeah, I would walk up to a stranger and ask her how her day was going. And if the conversation felt easy, I would also ask her for her 3 favorite parenting tips and also what she struggles with. And suddenly and quite easily, the jealousy and comparison would start to melt away, making room for real connection instead, and even a new friendship. So try it. Instead of throwing yourself into a compare despair loop, just go up and talk to the woman you feel jealous of. It works. Another thing I did was I started celebrating my accomplishments a lot more. So when I would feel those pangs of jealousy flare up, I would think about all the amazing things I did for my family. Everything from I breastfed 13 times today, or I hustled a paycheck that helps pay the bills. I would also write down the challenges I had faced, big and small, and the ways in which I handled them. And then I would give myself a big hug and a pat on the back, and I would really tell myself out loud and in specific detail just how amazing each achievement was, whether it was the dinner I made, or the sale that I closed at work, or the great sex I initiated even though I was tired, or even just that I had managed to shave my legs that day. And I would tell myself over and over again, I am enough and I do enough right here, right now, today, and every day. So affirming myself for who I am and what I do became a surefire way to drop the jealousy quick and really recognize my own unique supermama powers for what they truly are, right? Because when you are actively feeling good about yourself, there's just not a lot of room to feel jealous of other moms. So the truth is, we are all amazing mothers. So let's stop being jealous of each other and start celebrating our uniqueness and one another in the process and becoming friends. So these 2 things help me tremendously, and I hope they help you too. I will see you next time, and thanks for tuning in.